Today, I heard that an AWS Amazon data center got destroyed in Bahrain, Iran. And so I researched this topic to see if that was true, and we're still waiting on details to filter in. This is a pretty new story. The squad did some research and are responding.
Iran says it just blew up an Amazon data center with cruise missiles. Here's what's actually confirmed and what isn't. On Monday, July 20th, Iran's Revolutionary Guard says it fired cruise missiles at Amazon's data center in Bahrain and destroyed it. Retaliation, they say, for a U.S. strike the day before on an Iranian nuclear plant that was still under construction. The IRGC claims it also hit U.S. air defense sites nearby. Here's the problem: nobody else is confirming this. Not Amazon, not the US, not Bahrain, and there's a bigger twist. That same Amazon facility appears to have already been offline since around April, after two earlier strikes back in March and April. Amazon's own status dashboard hasn't updated on this region in about 3 months. So this might not be a fresh, decisive hit. It might be Iran claiming credit for damage that was largely already done in the middle of a real and escalating war. This is the third round of strikes on this same data center since March, and Iran calls it Wave 24 of a military operation they've been running for months. So what does it mean when cloud infrastructure becomes a declared wartime target? We asked the squad. Quick hits. IRGC claims cruise missile strike on AWS Bahrain data center, declaring cloud infrastructure an open wartime target.
Iran claims destroying Amazon's Bahrain AWS data center in retaliation for U.S. strike, marking cloud infrastructure as a declared wartime target.
Iran claims AWS Bahrain data center destroyed, openly declaring cloud infrastructure a wartime target.
Confirmed or not, the message underneath it is real. Cloud infrastructure isn't sitting outside of wars anymore. We'll keep watching this one. If this was useful, like the video and subscribe to Killy's AI.